My name is Ryan Steinelson. I'm the owner of Accelerate Marketing. It's a digital marketing agency that's been around for about 15 years. And we help business owners and businesses to generate an additional $100,000 or more a month from the optimization of their Google local service ads and Google business profile pages. So this is the school community. If you're not in here, I did post some new content, and it's right here at the bottom, AI for Business. This is really good content. Here's me after my haircut. Here's me before my haircut. What do you like better? I don't know. I like the after. I go through the notifications here all the time, daily. We respond to everybody within 24 hours. We do have a calendar here. As you guys know, Mondays and Tuesdays, we do these hour-long workshops and in order to help businesses with their local service ads and also with their artificial intelligence. I think we got Thomas. What's up?
Good, man. How you doing today?
Hey, good. Have you heard the AI? And I think that's probably one of the most important things is, okay, let's do that. And I'll show you what we've got here is a landing page for our Casey, we were calling it. This is our legal consultant. You can engage with Casey any way you want. That's the beauty of our system, is that you can call, you can text, and you can chat. Even OpenAI, they don't have a way to text their AI agent. You can message it over WhatsApp, but you can't text it. So even the large model provider out there is struggling to solve this challenge here of having one agent for all communications. And if you're setting up an AI agent, I would really encourage you to think about that. Just like I was talking about here, I wanted to have one agent for all communications. Chat, text, call. I want everything in one place. And there's so many different ways that artificial intelligent agents, conversational AI agents, can add lead volume. Now, I'm going to ask both you guys this, okay? What is the number one question that you typically get from a guy that's running local service ads? Do they want to get more leads or less leads typically from that platform?
Less. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah. No, I mean, those guys,
more. Yeah.
They just, all they want is more because they know what we've talked about in the beginning. They all understand that it's the cheapest lead it's the cheapest cost per conversion that you can get, bar none. It doesn't matter. So the real opportunity for us as agency owners is to satisfy that need. The value that the clients are going to get is through getting more leads from the platform. So anyway, I think the most important thing for us to do next is to actually demo it. Okay, so the demo is going to be for attorneys. So this is going to be an attorney demo. This is Casey. And Casey's been prompted, and we've uploaded a knowledge base of some phone calls from intake people to give Casey an understanding of how the conversation's supposed to go. I'm going to call it. So here we go.
Hi, it's Casey, the legal AI. What's the potential case you want to discuss?
Hey, Casey. So I just wanted to see, I got injured. I'm in Florida. My name is Ryan, and I want to know if I got a case.
Hi, Ryan. I'm here to help. Can you tell me what happened and who you think was at fault for your injury?
Yeah, it was this guy, Thomas. Like, he just wrecked my car, man. He T-boned me. And it was just absurd what happened. And he drove away from the scene.
I'm sorry to hear that happen to you. Did you sustain any injuries, and did you seek medical treatment after the accident?
I didn't because, you know what? Actually, I did. I did seek medical treatment because I really wanted to stick it to this guy, Thomas, man. I mean, I got some medical treatment. I got a bunch of it. It cost a lot of money. I just want to know if, I got it about 30 days after the accident. Was it in time? Did I get it in time?
Yes. Seeking medical treatment within 30 days is typically timely. It's important for both your health and documenting your injuries. When and where did this incident occur?
I mean, it happened pretty close to my house. I think it was close to Thomas's house too, because he was driving so fast and he was just reckless. I mean, I have it out for this dude. But anyway, I really am trying to find out. So you got the medical thing. So how long do I have to report this to the police, or what's the requirements for that?
It's crucial to report a hit and run accident to the police as soon as possible. This helps with the investigation and provides official documentation that can support your case. Do you have any evidence like photos, witness statements, or a police report from the scene?
Oh yeah, I took a ton of photos because I knew this guy. I want to stick it to him. So I got a lot of photos. I got videos. I think I got a video of him taking off too. So can I use that?
Yes, videos and photos are.
Hey, try to speak in another language.
Okay. So the other thing is what about, can you speak in Spanish too? Habla español?
Sí, puedo hablar en español. ¿Te gustaría continuar la conversación en español?
No, but can you speak in French too? Parlez-vous français?
Oui, je parle français. Si vous préférez, nous pouvons continuer en français.
Man, wait. Thomas wanted to tell me something, but I'm not going to let him. So now you're just showing off. So let's speak in English. I still want to know, do I have a case?
Yes, I can refer you to some law offices in Florida. They specialize in personal injury cases.
Oh, okay. This is just too easy.
Oh. Forwarding to my phone. Live transfer. Hey, XYZ lawyers.
Yeah, XYZS lawyers. All right, so that's it. So what do you guys think?
When you referenced Parlez-vous en français, I'm like 2 hours from the Quebec border. I'm in Canada. I was great. That's why I was like, oh my God, that's great, man.
Well, yeah, so
we didn't want to do the easy intaker. We're like, just think next level. Casey is effectively our next level thing where you're like, hey, look, forget about just the intake piece or answering the phone, right? What if with AI, you can answer questions that this person who's calling in really wants to know, right? So provide value there, right?
Can Go High Level do something like you saw in that demo? Do you think their agent is like that, or what do you think?
Like, how does the prompting work? I think, because I know you have to do a lot of prompting.
I can show you. We can build a version right now.
Yeah, this is it. This is it, dude. It's not really that long. We've added to it. Here's all our referral partners. But if we didn't have the referral partners, it might be a page and a half. It's got, here's the questions that we have it asked. Here's the 7 questions to determine if the person's got a case, because those are the same 7 questions that everybody asks for every attorney office should ask if they're a PI firm. But it just says you are Casey, an AI expert designed to consult people looking for legal help, connecting them with the right professionals. There's nothing real, extravagant here. Be sympathetic, conversational, concise, blah, blah, blah. And it does get better over time. It does learn. As it takes more of these conversations, I've noticed that Casey gets better. She gets more savvy. She gets more understanding of how the conversation should flow, just like an employee. So if you want to, like this on the screen here, it says text audit to 619-304-5155. If anybody wants to text that number, it'll be engaging with our AI agent, which, by the way, I would encourage you to do, because you can see exactly how good. So I've shown you how it chats. I've shown you how it talks. And if you want to text with it, you can see how it'll literally take you through our 5 questions as a prospect for Accelerate Marketing.
I don't know if you guys are tech savvy at all, but we've talked to, like agency owners, right? And I've talked to enough that we're like, I want to build my own. And we're like, how long it took us? Over a year, right? And I see a lot of people trying to Frankenstein and talk about Make and Zapier and do all this. And I'm like,
because everybody on YouTube is talking about how easy it is to do this. You know it, guys. You see the guys, they've got a freaking million followers, the biggest school communities out there. Liam, I'm in his group. I mean, I love you, Liam, but like he's not using an agent on his website. Like we're like, dude, maybe we can be the electricity for you. Like you can use ours.
Like you see these videos that's like 10 minutes and you can connect it with Make and do the Zapier, right? That's a demo. That's very far from a product, right? And it works great that very first time, but calls and all of that. It's all edge cases. 90% are edge cases, right? And to build something like that, it starts taking you away from what you're good at. Why would an agency go and build technology, one of the hardest technologies to master, right? That the whole world is trying to master, and be like, yeah, I could do this just as well. I mean, that product that Casey is now is the product of multi-years of working on this, right? So why reinvent the wheel?
And just to wrap up, put a little bow on our conversation, I think the bottom line is this. As an agency owner, because that's who we have on today, I'm just going to speak to you guys and, not business owners today, is, the opportunity is, do you want to go fast or do you want to wear many hats and go slower? I went down the path of solving a problem, and the problem was ubiquitous, whether it was GBP, LSA, or anything. And so the problem is not answering the phone and not responding to message leads or any inbound. Right now, we're solving this problem on an enterprise level with not just LSA and GBP, but with Yelp and Angie's List, and we're integrating with all of it. So, and I'll end with this. What we like to tell our clients is that for now, you have the opportunity to actually gain market share using this new technology. But in about 2 years or 3 years, it's going to reverse. And if they are not using it, they're going to really start losing. I couldn't say that before with other technologies, but with this one, it's for sure. It's not even a question. I mean, that's really it. So, all right. Thanks.